Some of my top must-watch penny stocks. Let's get started. Ticker symbol TCR. This year, TCR2 Therapeutics shares gained plenty of ground in the stock market. The stock has bounced back by more than 100% since hitting 52-week lows at the end of December. If analysts are current, hopes are high that this trend can continue. In this case, Peter Sandler has put a high rating on this penny stock and paired it with a $10 price target, which is 484% higher based on current levels. TCR and Adaptimmune announced a combination to create a therapy company for solid tumors. CEO Gary Menzel, PhD, commented on the deal by explaining that the combination of these two companies not only sets the stage for near-term execution, but also positions the company for the longer term. This combined company is expected to be on the NASDAQ stock market under the ticker symbol ADAP. ThredUp Inc., ticker symbol TDUP, one of the household stocks to watch since November. TDUP gained notoriety when it first went public. The stock failed to maintain its trading levels around the IPO price like many smaller IPOs in the last few years. But that's the past, and now the market is looking at what's next for the online resale platform company. TDUP specializes in online resale platforms for women's and kids' apparel, shoes, and accessories. Most attention has been on the latest financial results from the company. ThredUp beat sales estimates and EPS Q4, bringing in over $71 million and guides in a range of $71 to $73 million for Q1 of this year. TDUP expects to do anywhere from $310 to $320 million this year, higher than Wall Street's $300 million expectation. Analysts have a buy rating on the stock and a $5 price target, about 125% higher than current levels. JSPR Therapeutics, ticker symbol JSPR, is another penny stock to watch. After this company saw positive clinical data news earlier this year, shares soared. Following the data release, JSPR announced that it would present data supporting its ongoing development. CEO Ronald Martell explained as they focused the development on treating chronic mast cell diseases and as a conditioning agent for stem cell transplants, addressing rare diseases. They believe that the data presented at the Transplantation Cell Therapy meetings of the ASTCT and the CIBMTR provides additional clinical proof of concept. Analysts began weighing in on the company shortly after the news. In particular, EF Hutton reiterated its buy rating, maintaining a $6.85 price target, still 225% higher than the current trading levels. Ticker symbol QUOT, a digital promotions and media tech company, has been on a quiet climb to the start of this year. Shares jumped from around $3.14 in January to $4.25 this quarter. The company recorded Q4 revenue of $70.7 million and adjusted EBITDA of $13.2 million. QUOT, the parents of Coupons.com, are exploring options that include a sale of the company as it grapples with a collapse in advertising revenue. Analysts recently weighed in on the stock forecast. QUOT had a buy rating and a price target at $5, about 34% higher than current trading levels. Ticker symbol PGN has come back into focus recently. The company stock share price tapped new 52-week lows as the price continued bleeding out just before the release of the latest company earnings. The president and CEO of PGEN explained that 2022 was a successful year with respect to clinical advancements for PGEN's UltraCAR-T and Adenovirus programs. She stated that we showcased highly encouraging results from Phase 1 dose escalation of PRGN-3006, UltraCAR-T and AML at ASH, and Phase 1 escalation and expansion cohort data of our PRGN-2012 Adenovirus immunotherapy and RRP at our community's R&D Day. This data sets us up for a strong 2023 as we continue our focus on rapidly advancing clinical programs and pursuing the most promising regulatory paths. JMP Securities and AC Wainwright analysts adjusted their outlook. JMP had the most bullish PGN stock forecast. It maintained a $14 price target, which is about 952% higher based on current levels. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you found this video helpful.